Okay, so in this video we will see how we can access a list. So let's create a list, my list, and now we are going to enter some values like apple, banana. Let's add some integer values and then boolean values, and okay, so these are the values we have entered, and now let's print this list. Okay, so let's delete this part. Okay, so let's run this. So here we have printed the members of this list, and these members are mixed. It is containing the integer values, boolean values, and the strings. Okay, so how we can access is, one way is just use the print function and write the name of the list. The another way is, what if we want to access any random, or you can say the any particular value, for example at particular index, you can say. See, in the list, the values start with the indexing 0. The apple is having index 0, banana is having 1, 1, 2, 3 is having 2, then 3 and 4 and 5. So we are having these values from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So now we are going to use this, and let's say we want to access the 0th value, right? Okay, so now see. Okay, so at the index 0 we are having the value apple, so the apple is printed. Okay, so let's say, what if we enter 5? The value is 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, so what if I enter any negative value like -1? Okay, so as we can see, the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are these. Then where is the -1 value? -1 value will start from the end of the list, then backside is -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Right, so this is how the indexing start if we start counting from the back side of the list. Okay, so let's say it should print this value because the last item is this, so it has printed this one, right? So let's say if I write -5, so now -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -5 is banana, so banana is printed here. So another thing is, we can use the range. Range means just say 0 and then colon and then 2. What does this mean? The indexing will start from 0. 0 means this value will be printed, then end at the indexing 0. So 2 doesn't means to the banana, because the indexing starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. But as we are saying 0 to 2, it doesn't mean it is going to to include the values 2. 0 and 1 will be printed, not the value at the index 2. Okay, this will be excluded, you can say, right? But the first value we have entered before the column is included, but after the column will be excluded. Okay, so let's print this. Okay, so apple and banana means 0th index and first index is printed, but not the second. Okay, so even we can use -4 to -1. Okay, so -4 means -1, -2, -3, -4, these values. So the indexing will start from -4 up to -1. But as we said, the value will not be included after the column. So -1 will not be included, means this value will not be included. Let's run this. Okay, so the value should start from -4, means -1, -2, -3, -4. So 1, 2, 3 printed, true is printed, false is printed, but the value -1 indexing is not printed. Okay. Okay, so what else we can do is, what if we don't enter any value here? What will happen here? Let's say we write any positive value here, like 4. Okay, so what this will indicate, the indexing will start from 0. If you are not going to mention anything, then it means it will start from 0 and up to 4th. But up to 4th means 4th will not be included. Okay, so it is showing a error, I guess. Line 3 print my closing parenthesis does not match opening parenthesis. Oh, I just deleted that part. Okay, so now it's correct. Run this again. Okay, so the indexing 0 is apple, then banana, then 1, 2, 3, and then true. Right? These value from 0, 1, 2, 3. Fourth indexing is the false, which is not printed. 4 values printed. 4 doesn't mean the fourth because the indexing start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Fourth indexing is this, so this is not printed. Okay, so what if we start from 0, start from second, and then doesn't mention anything after that? So what does it mean? It means if we are not going to mention anything here, it means till the end, right? Till the end means the last item will also be included. Okay, so indexing will start from 2, 0, 1, 2. So from here to here, right? Okay, so let's run this. So from 1 to 3, true, false, and this value is printed. Okay, so in the next video we will do some more operations. Okay.